combined 3 rooms. So we've got rock pools, we've got honey pots, and we've also got blooms room with all the children combining and doing this activity together. So it's a sensory walk for children to explore the feel of different types of materials underneath their feet, obstacle for problem solving skills. For you to be able to do this at home, what you'll need is any type of thing that you can put on the floor that's not obviously going to harm your children. You can then get them to walk along, get them to feel the different kinds of textures under their feet, even put some streamers up or some paper that's cut up. Try and make an obstacle course for them to get them thinking. Thanks guys, have a great
Come on, Jimmy. Yay, Tremaine! Well done.
Good job.
Well done, Tremaine.
Yay!
Go from here, sweetheart.
Billy, come. Bella. Bella. Go, Kavish.